In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted or lost WhatsApp messages on Android phone. We're focusing on the most common and reliable method, restoring from a Google Drive backup. Before we do anything else, open WhatsApp on your Android device and head to Settings, then Chats, and then Chat Backup. Take a careful look at the date and time of your last backup. This is crucial. If the backup was created before the messages were deleted, you have a good chance of getting them back. If the backup was made after the deletion, those messages likely aren't in the backup. Also note the Google account shown here, since your backup is tied to both your phone number and that specific Google account. Keep in mind that restoring will roll your chat history back to the moment of that backup. So anything you received after that time won't be included. Once you've confirmed the backup details, go ahead and uninstall WhatsApp from your Android device. Don't worry, this doesn't erase your Google Drive backup. It simply removes the app from your phone so we can trigger the restore process. Your local media folders on the device may remain, but the chat history itself will be pulled from the cloud during the restore. Next, reinstall WhatsApp from the Google Play Store. Make sure you are using the official app and that your device is signed in to the same Google account associated with your backup. Having a stable Wi-Fi connection and enough battery or a charger connected will make this process smoother, especially if your backup includes a lot of photos and videos. After installation, open WhatsApp and verify your phone number. Use the exact number that was linked to the backup. When prompted, select Restore to bring your chats back from Google Drive. The app will first restore your text messages and call history, and then continue downloading media in the background. Keep the app open, stay connected to the internet, and give it time to finish. If you accidentally skip the restore prompt, you can repeat the process by uninstalling and reinstalling the app again. That's the full workflow. If WhatsApp doesn't find a backup, it usually means there isn't one available under that number in Google account, or that backups weren't enabled. In that case, these steps won't recover deleted messages. So consider setting automatic backups going forward to protect your chats. Thanks for watching.